sun's out, so if you woke up today, you're winning. So what I did right now is that I stapled up all the rulers onto the attic so I could see where your insulation is at before, and then I take pictures of the before and I also take pictures of the after to show you homeowners what exactly I'm doing and how much better your house is going to be feeling. What I'm doing right now with covering it, it actually helps a lot. We like to call it the water hose trick, right? So this is how you blow normally, all boring and short. When I cover it, shoots farther, faster, and you get more done. It's blazing up in there.
It's blazing.
Yeah, but you're almost done though.
Oh,
You know,
almost done. You know, why get a gym membership when I could just go into the at-home sauna? The at-home sauna right there.
For those just watching, this is all sweat. This is that Florida heat doing a number on our boy here.
I feel good, coach.
Put me in.
Since the homeowner requested for us to do her attic, her garage, you know, we have to take out the panels and stuff that she already has laid out and then refill it up with insulation, put them back for her, and then she has a nice insulated garage.
Is that like the panels you're talking about? They're like floor panels
Yeah.
for walking on and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
So normally houses and attics don't have those, but if they do, you know, it's kind of like a plus because I don't have to like really maneuver as much, watch where I step, but I always do watch where I step.
Yeah.
You always have to step on the truss. If you're not going to step on the truss, you might as well step on the house's floor. All they're getting is just an R30 blow-in, which
is that?
It's 10 to 12 inches.
Okay.
So I bring them up from whatever they're at. If they have 4 inches, you bring them up to 14 or 16 inches. But she had literally like the bare minimum. So I had to bring her up to 10.
Yeah. So I'll just start the cleaning process while he can just chill and talk, you know, to the customer or whatever.
Now here,
By the time I'm done,
in the
there
summertime,
you go.
it'll be cold in your house.
Pack up the hoses.
That's right. So you want to roll them like this.
Okay.
I always want to leave everything nice and neat. A lot of people don't have OCD like me.
A little OCD goes a long way. Closing out a job.
Yeah, so right now I'm just counting the bags for inventory. And then write everything down, hop in the truck, and do my little paperwork, send my little pictures. And I get to go back to the shop and load back up for tomorrow, so we don't have to do it in the morning.